Right, hey guys, I've got another sack. So this one's again from Boom. This is a branded one. I'm just gonna quickly go through it. The reason why I do these videos is because I let people know what we have dropping in our store in Brick Lane. So if you are around there, just make sure you come give us a visit. Anyway, off the top, the first thing I've got is a Michael Kors ladies jacket. I'm not really a big fan of this brand, although it was supposed to be high end. It's quite dirty as well around the neck as well. I'm sure you can see that. Size L. Next one, I'm going to do it as quick as possible. This looks very new. It's a Dickies pair of trousers. The size waist 34, and it is 34 by 34. It's really nice and clean. So this is another one that's going to drop. By the way, in terms of price wise, the Michael Kors I'll probably do it for around 20. This I'd probably do it for around 25. Next one is, I'm not a big fan of blazers, especially the suit type ones. So this is a Bowman. I mean, yeah, it's high end, but like suit blazers, not really something I care much about. So I'll probably do it for like 30, 35. So this is a Pendleton. It's a bit frayed around the collars. It's a small size, kind of like a flannel shirt, remade in England. It is a size medium, so it's quite nice. That would probably get me around 29. Next one. Okay, this looks very nice. So this is a Lee Sport crewneck jumper, Red Sox, Boston. I do like these, especially like the American Pro Sport jumpers. So this, I would probably put it up for like 39 or something like that. The next one is a plain sweatshirt. So it's a Barber one. It's more like the knitted one, size L, and it's plain. So this probably 29 as well. It's a cropped Levi's hoodie. These don't do too well, to be honest. Levi's, it's not the greatest. The spell out is a bit faded as well. So that I will probably sell for, it's a size M. I'll probably sell for like £15. Next one is a knitted jumper. It's a very small one, Tommy Hilfiger. It's got a nice hit on the chest as well. So but again, it's small and it's very simple. So it probably get me around 15 quid. Next one is a Ralph Lauren jumper. It's extra large. It's a thin one, so it's more of the formal type. Again, these don't do as well as the more thicker ones, but V-neck as well, so it's not the greatest one. Probably again £25 for this. Next one, right, this is very interesting. So this is a Kenzo Paris hoodie. There was a time like Kenzo was doing alright, but I don't think it's all that great, to be honest. I see them go on sale very often as well, but it is a plain hoodie. So I'll probably put that up for 30. That was I believe that was a size L, by the way, if anyone wants it. So it's a Nike hoodie. It is a size M, but it is like a Jordan. No, it's not Jordan, is it? It is a Jordan one. Probably sell this for around £25, and it's got a hit on the arm. Another hoodie. It's an Adidas one, and it is a size large, but it's quite a modern one. It's got a pocket at the front as well. I'll probably sell it for like £15–20. Right, okay, Umbro. We always get an Umbro. It's a fleece top. I'd probably sell it for around £20 at most. It is a size L. Right, now we have a Berghaus fleece. It looks like a size L. It doesn't have the logo on the inside. It's just a very simple top. I'd probably sell this for like £25. Right, I've got a pair of jeans. It's a Levi's one. It's ladies. It's a very small one and it's a skinny fit. It is a size 29. It hasn't got the date. To be honest, I'm not like it's a modern one. You could tell. And the date is 2017. So it is quite modern. This would probably get me like 15 quid. Next one, believe it's a diesel one. It is a diesel one. Again, I used to say before like diesel used to do really well, but this one is a Darren. It's a slim fit one, weighs 30. Slim fits obviously aren't doing so well because obviously now everyone wants something baggy. This will get me around 25 probably. Right, next one. We have a Nike jacket, so it's not like a full-on puffer jacket. It's got a nice logo at the back as well. It is a size small. I think it's more of a winter jacket. I wonder if it's reversible. It is not a reversible, so I'd probably say, because it's quite a modern one, it won't get me much, so I'd probably say around 25, 30 at most if I push it a bit. But yeah. Right, another pair of diesel jeans. Again, it's a skinny, so again they won't sell too well. This is size 28, so probably fit like, you know, someone who's really small. £25 probably. I have a Puma jacket. This looks very nice. So let's go through the details. So it's a jacket. It's got two zips going down. It says WRC, so it's a racing kind. And then it's got the back logo. Now obviously you can notice that with the recent Skepta collab, I think this might actually do quite well. Normally I'm not a big fan of Puma, I've mentioned that so many times, but I think this might do alright. So it probably get me around 50 quid. Next one, got a North Face jacket. So these do well as long as the condition's alright. It doesn't have anything on the, it's got a little like scratch at the front, but that shouldn't really affect it. It's 700. So I remember these were selling like hotcakes before. We used to sell them for like 150 or so. So maybe I'm gonna obviously hold on to it. It is a size L, so which is a brilliant size. I'm gonna hold on to this for the winter time, and I'd probably say this is the best piece. So this would get me around 100 to 150. So next one, we have an Adidas tracksuit bottom. Now these you see everywhere. This is a size, I'm trying to figure it out, 2016. It doesn't have the size. I'm assuming it's a size L. It looks like a size L. These you see everywhere, so I'm going to sell it for like 15 quid. So that's more of a Sports Direct piece. Right, another track top. So this is more of a jogging bottom. It's got nice design at the front. It is a bit frayed. It is embroidered, so it's very nice. Again, it is a modern tag, but I mean £15 probably. So we have an Umbro track bottoms as well, size M, which is a good size, and I do like the design. But again, because it's Umbro, they're not really a hype brand. Probably £20 at most. Okay, so we have a Hawaiian shirt, Ralph Lauren. It's a very nice one actually. Double XL. It is a big size. One thing to look out for is the collar. If the collars are damaged, then it's not really worth much. It does have a bit of a stain, so it will need a bit of a wash. But I'll probably sell it for like £20, if 15 to 20 I'd say. Next one is a Gant shirt. Again, Gant I tend to see every time. It's not a bad shirt to be honest. Size extra large. The buttons are intact as well, so they're alright. I'd probably sell it for like 20, 25. Nike shell jacket. It's a modern one. It's got the print. Very lightweight, so it's more of a training top as well. I'd probably sell it for 15 to 20. It's a size XL. This is very nice. So I have this pair of shorts. It's a Nike one. It's got the orange tag, so it's probably like a Y2K one as well. It's got a Nike logo on the back. Probably sell it for like 15, 20 pounds. Next one is a pair of Dickies shorts. These are size waist 30, so they're alright. Probably sell it for around 15 to 20 pounds. 15 pounds probably. And then a pair of cut off Levi's pair of jeans. Waist size, what is the waist size? Right, it doesn't say. Nope. It's a skinny fit, which makes things even worse. Waist is not written down. I need to measure it up anyway. But it's got the big E, but obviously they're not the old ones, they're the new ones. So I'll probably sell this for like 15 quid. Okay, so I have right here a pair of Adidas training shorts. So again, these are alright. Probably sell it for like 15 quid. Next one, I have no idea what this is, and I'm not going to try to pronounce this. Nope, I can't even pronounce this. Vilebrequin. No idea what that is. Anyway, I'll probably have to do a bit of research on this before I price it up. The size is a size M. If anyone knows this brand, just let me know. Right, so we have a Ralph Lauren size M, full sleeve as well. This should sell around £20, 25 if I push it a bit. We have an Asics training top, so it's a size extra large. I mean they're alright, wear it to work out, so probably sell it for like £10 or something like that. Champion one, it's a crop top. It's not going to get much to be honest. I'd probably sell it for less than £10, so about £6 for this. It is a size S. Okay, a Ralph Lauren top. It looks very new to be honest. Condition's really good. It is a size M. It's a modern one as well, and it's got the writing on the arm as well. So I would probably sell it for like 15 to 20 pounds. Got a Nike quarter zip training top. So I mean they don't sell for too much. Probably get around £15 for this, 15 to 20 pounds. It is a size L. Right, this one is a Nike training top. These are quite nice actually, and I know they're quite expensive sometimes. I mean, I see them selling for around £30, so I'd probably put it up for 15. It is extra large, so it's a good size. Right, we have another training top. It's an Adidas one. This is a size small, quarter zip. I'm going to sell it for like 15 quid. I knew it's going to come up. I don't know if it's me or other people as well. For some reason, there's always a barber right at the bottom of the bag. I wonder why they do that. I think they want to leave a lasting impression. So you either have a good piece at the top or you have it at the bottom, and that's what I think. Anyway, there's a barber top. It is a size 12 for ladies, so this is really nice. It's got like obviously design on the shoulders. It's got a belt which is not missing, and I'm just checking. It's got the wax as well, but it doesn't have a different name. If anyone knows what this is, that's great. But this is, I mean, the design is perfect. So I would probably have it at a higher price. I would say around 50 to 60 pounds probably. So yeah, I think this is it. Yep, right. It is quite a modern sack, to be honest. Most of it is like new, nothing very vintage. I think the best piece is probably this one here and the North Face piece. I don't know if you guys obviously have a different opinion. I think that and the North Face would get me around like 150, almost like near like 180 probably. The rest obviously will make up for it. So it is a profit in there, but I just feel like the majority of them are like more modern. And this one and the North Face was the best one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow. And if you are in London and you are around the Brick Lane area, make sure you visit us in the Brick Lane Vintage Market. Thank you for watching.